Hi guys, if you want to check word count on Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. To check the word count, simply go to Tools and here simply click on word count option. And now here you will be able to see word count and all other details. Here you can see it is showing the total number of pages, total number of words, total characters and total characters without a spaces. Now let's see the second method. If you want to display word count while typing, then follow this method. So for that, again go to Tools, click on word count, and now here simply select this option, display word count while typing. Simply select it and then click on OK. And now here you will be able to see the total words. And when you start typing, it will display the word count here in real time. So let's check it out. For the example, here I will type something. And you can see it is displaying the word count while typing. Whenever I type something, the word count here changes. You can see. And if you want to check out other word count details, simply expand it. For that, simply click here. And from here, you will be able to see all other details. You can see this is the total pages, total words, characters with a spaces and characters without a spaces. And if you want to hide the word count while typing, simply click on this hide word count option and the word count option will be hidden from the page. Now let's see the next method. If you are looking for the keyboard shortcut to check out word count in Google Docs, then follow this method. If you are using the Google Docs on Windows computer, simply press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. And if you are using it on Mac, simply press the keyboard shortcut Command+Shift+C. Here right now I am using the Google Docs on my Windows computer. So I will simply press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. You can see, and the word count dialog box will appear. And from here you can check out word count and all other details. You can see. So that's it guys. By following these methods, you can easily check word count on Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.